What's up guys, welcome to your 10th Pygame tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw lines. Now in order to draw a line you need a couple different parameters. You need a position of the first point, a position of the second point, and there's also an optional width parameter that you can have if you want. So let's go ahead and make those as variables right now. So let's go ahead and work with the color first. So set a color variable, and you could equal to like 200 by 255 by 64. Sounds pretty random. So now we need to have position points. So position 1, we'll set it equal to 20, 20. Have it 20 over and 20 down. Position 2, let's make a variable for that. We'll set it equal to like 150, 143, whatever. So now we have two positions. This is going to be the starting point of the line, and this is going to be the ending point of the line. So we have a color and two positions. So let's go ahead and draw this. So let's go ahead and Pygame draw line is the function name, and of course we want our basic screen, our color, and now you need to put the first position first. Probably could have figured that out. And your second position second. Now by default it draws a line that's 1 pixel wide. As you can see, here's my first position right here, and here's my second position right here. But if you want, what you can go ahead and do is add a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add a fifth optional parameter, and this is the width of your line. So if we went ahead and typed something like 8, when we went ahead and did this and saved it, we now get a line that's 8 pixels wide. So as you can see, that's how you can use that optional fifth parameter to change the width of your line. So that's your real quick tutorial on how to draw a line. Again, the parameters for this are screen, color, first position, second position, and this last one is optional width parameter. You don't need it, but you're probably going to use it a lot, so I thought I'd tell you guys. So again, that's your tutorial. Now that you know how to draw lines, you're ready to move on to my next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.